Welcome to Side Hustles and Smart Finance, the channel where we turn ideas into income. From AI hustles to smart finance tips, you'll learn how to build extra income streams and achieve lasting wealth. Because here, we believe AI hustles plus smart finance equals wealth. Hit subscribe and let's grow smarter together. Watch this video till the end. I have a special gift just for you, a free, powerful resource that could be your very first step to building real online income. Don't skip it. It might just change the way you start. Work from home is just a dream, something only influencers or lucky people can do. But what if I told you that the next viral post on your Facebook feed could earn you real money, even if you never show your face? I'm Michael, and today I want to reveal one of the most overlooked ways to make money online: creating text-based content that quietly reaches thousands of people while you sleep. You don't need a camera, you don't need followers, you just need a few clever ideas, a free Facebook account, and a bit of consistency. Stay with me until the end, because by the time this video ends, you'll see how one simple work from home method can help you earn online safely, flexibly, and genuinely. And if this resonates with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who has been searching for a real make money online opportunity. Let's start with the truth. Facebook's algorithm still rewards creativity, especially simple text-only posts. Most people upload photos or videos hoping to go viral, but they ignore the hidden goldmine inside the work-from-home world: text photos. Facebook pays the highest engagement bonuses for two types of content: stories and text photos. And when you learn to use them right, you're not just posting, you're building a small system that helps you make money online every single day. I've studied hundreds of creators who work from home, and here's what I found. The posts that go viral are not random. They follow patterns, emotional triggers, curiosity, and simplicity. Let me show you how. Step 1. The missing number post. It's simple. Create a post that challenges the viewer. For example, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. What's missing? People love to participate. They comment 7 instinctively. That single act of engagement tells Facebook, this content is worth showing to more people. Within hours, you can reach thousands. That's how engagement turns into visibility, and visibility turns into income. When I first tried this work from home experiment, I was shocked. A plain text post, no image, no link, just curiosity. And it reached over 40,000 people. No ads, no boost, just algorithm psychology at work. Step 2, the incomplete word challenge. Write something like sa-a-cones and let people guess Sarah. It's playful, harmless, and deeply human. The brain hates unfinished patterns. We want to complete them. So people comment, share, and debate. And suddenly, your engagement doubles again. It's all about the subtle pull of curiosity. I had a student, a stay-at-home mom, who posted these during her breaks. Within a month, her work from home account started earning small bonuses. She told me, Michael, it felt like magic. I wasn't selling anything. I was just being creative. Now, let's talk about creativity. You can make your post stand out just by changing colors, adding bold fonts, or keeping your words under 20 characters. The shorter the post, the faster people respond. Think of it as micro content that feeds the algorithm. You don't need to be a designer, just use Facebook's built-in color backgrounds and watch what people react to. It's the simplest form of make money online. No camera, no editing, no pressure. Here's where it gets interesting. Facebook's algorithm tracks two things: comments and dwell time, which means how long someone pauses to read your post. The more people stop scrolling, the more reach you get. So when you post something that makes people think, you win twice: more engagement and more algorithm love. That's the secret engine behind work from home creators who seem to go viral effortlessly. Then comes the reward system. Facebook's bonus programs pay users based on post performance, engagement, views, and reach. If you stay consistent, even one post a day can create a steady rhythm of income. Think of it as digital gardening. You plant ideas, nurture engagement, and let the algorithm harvest for you. Once you've mastered the basics, move up to advanced formatting. Add tables, line breaks, or emoji spacing to make your post visually unique, or go one step higher: proofreading, content QA, or virtual assistance jobs, all of which start from the same typing foundation. That's how work from home slowly transforms from a side hustle into a real profession. And here's the part most people miss. AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva AI can help you brainstorm hundreds of text challenges in minutes. Use them to create riddles, missing emojis, or simple word puzzles. then schedule them using free tools like Meta Business Suite. That's how real creators automate their make money online workflow with creativity on autopilot. After a few viral posts, start analyzing your data. What type of posts perform best? What time brings the most engagement? Which colors or tones spark reactions? Build your personal content formula. Once you have 50, 100 successful posts, you can repurpose them, tweak, translate, repost, and maintain your work from home page with ease. This is how real consistency compounds into passive growth. Finally, don't do it alone. Join small groups or online communities of people who also work from home. Share your templates, learn from others' insights, and collaborate on engagement challenges. When multiple creators interact on each other's posts, everyone's reach expands. Community is the secret fuel behind every sustainable make money online journey. At the end of the day, work from home isn't just about comfort or convenience, it's about freedom. Freedom to earn without leaving your family. Freedom to build something small but real. And freedom to know that your creativity has value. Start with one post, one idea, one spark. Don't underestimate how far a single work from home step can take you. Because when you combine creativity with consistency, you're not just learning how to make money online, you're learning how to think like a creator, act like an entrepreneur, and live life on your own terms. If this video inspired you, leave a comment below and tell me your first work from home goal. And share this with someone who needs to hear that real online income doesn't come from hype. It comes from everyday people who simply start. I'm Michael, and remember, small consistent effort beats big uncertain dreams. Always. Download your free gift. Start smart, start right. Want to make money online, but don't know where to begin? Get this free ebook, From Zero to an Automated Money-Making Machine. It shows you how to understand affiliate marketing, no product needed, pick the right offers. Even as a complete beginner, build a simple system that sells 24/7. No ads, no tech, no overwhelm. Focus on mindset, action, results. With this guide, many people earn their first commission in just 7 days. You might doubt yourself, others might not believe in you, but once you see your first result, everything changes. Download it now and take your first step toward time freedom. If this video sparked something in you, a small glimpse of hope, a flicker of inspiration, or even just a quiet thought, maybe I could try this too. Then don't let it pass you by, not like all the other times. Hit that subscribe button so I can keep walking alongside you on this journey. I still have so much more to share, real stories, honest strategies, and practical steps that could help you move forward just a little more every single day. Leave me a comment. Tell me, where are you right now in your journey? I read every single one, truly. And if you feel this content is worth sharing, give it a like and send this video to a friend who might be searching for the same answers you are. Want a solid place to start? Don't skip this exclusive MMO guide I've personally curated and tested, not just for myself, but alongside hundreds of students who've seen real results. This 5-part resource is battle tested, no fluff, just action. Part 1, free gift hacks. Start your MMO journey with zero cost. Discover how to get free gifts and vouchers in just a few simple steps. Part 2, simple side hustles. Make money from your phone. Try flexible jobs like writing reviews, customer support, or posting on social media. Part 3, foundations of affiliate marketing. Step-by-step training to build your first system. Perfect for beginners who want to start right. Part 4, easy wins with tools and AI. Kickstart with optimized tools and AI tech for faster results. No complex skills needed. Part 5, advanced systems for long-term income. For those ready to go serious. Learn how to scale, build products, and market like a pro. This is your actionable, step-by-step guide, ready for you to dive in right after this video. These are proven learning paths, so you don't have to wander, don't have to fail the way I once did. You'll learn how to build a real system, create passive income online, even while you sleep, and most importantly, how to start without getting overwhelmed. Scan the QR code on the screen to download the guide, 100% free, no email required, or click the link below in the video description. It's right there, waiting to help you start a brand new chapter. I believe in you. You can do this. Just start today. See you in the next video or somewhere along your journey to freedom.